Now this is a front of Flying Biscuit. We have hail, we have wind blowing, and there's supposedly a tornado somewhere close, but I don't see that. But this is crazy. Hello! How are you, Julie?
Good, how are you?
The fear. You see that? She's scared. Yeah, my friends, this is awesome. Wow.
Oh my God!
Look at that, guys. It's wet out here. Go over here where I can stay a little bit more dry. Dude, I wouldn't drive anywhere, just so you know. This guy just jumped in his car. I don't know if he can go anywhere. Alright. Go out back again?